Here I have my iPhone Hammer Force, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to use the following menu. Let's tap apps icon, then you have to choose the settings, scroll down, and you have to find the language and input options. It's under personal tab. Let's select language from the top of the screen, and here you can choose one of the following languages. So in my case, let me just say that I would like to change my language from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Espanol. As you can see right now, you are using the Spanish version of the device. If you would like to go back to previous version, just tap apps icon, find and select the settings, so the ajustes, scroll down, tap idioma y traducción de texto, tap idioma one more time. From the following list you have to choose English from United States, for example, and that's it. Right now you are using the English version of your device, so you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.